So you can see here it is the first Latitude credit card. So commonly it will look like this. I think it has a pretty unique design for a credit card, so I give them the visuals for that. So let's see their pros and cons. So let's talk about the first Latitude. So it is a secured credit card, which means you need a refundable security deposit starting at $100. It reports it reports to all three major credit bureaus, helping build your credit with responsible use. There's no credit card history required to apply, but there's a $25 annual fee and its APR is high at around 26.99%, so carrying a balance is a bit expensive. Um this Let's just wrap up this video. So all I can say is that this is a decent starter card. Just pay in full and upgrade when your credit improves.